Alright, a couple of experiments with the Speed Demon. I've set up a ruler and attached the two Chinese sensors, one at the 100 centimeter mark and one at the 200 centimeter mark here. So they're 10 centimeters apart. I'm sorry, that was millimeters. So they're 10 centimeters apart, and we are going to drop an eraser in front of the sensors. I looked it up online, and it's at sea level on the equator. It's 980 centimeters per second squared. So I'm going to drop it just above the top sensor, and you can see I come up with a 90 on my display, and we'll do a couple of drops. Generally it's around 94. There's 96. I'm not too accurate here. 92, 89, 92, 88, 89, so it's right around 90 or so. 92 seems to be the one I hit the most. 90. So these are 10 centimeters apart, so the reading would be 900, right? So 980 centimeters per second at sea level on the equator. I'm coming out to around 90 over 10 centimeters. So that's 900. Keep in mind that I'm close to the equator, but I'm 170 feet above sea level, approximately. I'm in a high rise. So that looks pretty good and pretty accurate. The other experiment I wanted to do is we'll switch over to our internal sensors. We're now in internal, so you can see that. So what I did is I attached a piece of coat hanger wire, white, to my drill, and what I'm going to do is just spin it in front of the two internal sensors. So you can see it triggering. Go slow, and it's pretty consistent. And we'll speed it up. Just curiosity, see what the time is on that. So it's 12.3 milliseconds per interruption for 813 centimeters a second. And that's actually a little bit off, because what we did forget to do is change the centimeters, right? So the centimeters are at 10. I have to rotate that around all the way to get it to 5, but I can also just reset this. So now we're at 5, and then we can do it again. Oops, and of course the timeout needs to be up to... Now what I can do is switching to the internal sensors just automatically make it 5 centimeters, and I'll change that. Alright, so... So we're down to 6.8 milliseconds. And imagine if I really sped it up, I could get it down to the limit of the device. But there you go, a couple of experiments.